It's The Rock. It's people's champion. It's George Bush. Ah!
And where the bitch ass niggas at? I mean, for real. What they gonna do? Where?
That guy over there. Beat your feet. Beat your feet.
You said what? Hold on. Look. Nobody knows when you rob a bank. You never show your face, okay? Any bullets in this shit? There's 2 more. What the fuck?
Beat your feet. Beat your feet. That's it.
Oh shit.
He got the. Okay.